Now to your health. Many Americans are maybe focused on losing weight or dieting in the new year, but don't forget about your teeth.
Yep, and it's important. Improving your oral health care is a great goal for 2023. And Dr. Tina is the founder of the Gleamery, a new dental salon in Beaverton. And she's here to share some tips for us and also to school us in some teeth trivia, which is going to be really humbling, I'm sure. Good morning.
Good morning.
Glad
Thanks
you're
so much
here.
for joining us.
Thanks for having me here. I'm happy to be here.
Well, now, I don't know if you know, but in the past, we like to do Trivia Tuesday. We do a weather trivia thing with Kelly. Travis has filled in before and has taken it upon himself to do trivia
This is
and
true.
to try and catch me.
It's my moment of revenge because Emily beats me in Trivia
Well,
Tuesday.
but so then when we were talking about this segment, I was like, this is it. This is my time.
This is my moment.
We are going to play a little trivia today. I have the Bob Barker microphone, which means that you, Travis, are in the hot seat.
Oh, this is going to go so poorly, I'm sweating.
Are
okay,
we ready to
I'm
play
ready.
some dental trivia? Here we go. Okay, trivia question number 1. How many minutes per session should you brush your teeth? Is it 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 3 minutes?
Per session? Oh my gosh. Is my answer what I do?
You do it twice a day, every day. I hope you do it right, Travis. What's the answer?
I feel like the answer is going to be 2 minutes, but I will admit I don't brush my teeth for 2 minutes every time.
Ding, 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 ding.
Is it right?
Dr. Tina, tell us.
Yay, yes, that's right. It's 2 minutes per session.
So why is
Wow.
it 2 minutes?
Because that allows you to be able to clean all the surfaces of your teeth,
Okay.
all 4 quadrants, which is you should be doing 30 seconds per quadrant.
Okay.
See,
30
okay.
seconds per I would
Now,
never do
sometimes
that.
I get distracted and I'm just like thinking and I brush my teeth for longer. Is that bad?
No, that's
Okay.
even better.
But 2 minutes
the more
is the
the merrier.
minimum?
That's
Okay.
the
Okay.
minimum.
I was going to try and
Interesting.
find, I have a sound effect button on my phone, but I'll find it later because I really want to like when you're wrong, but okay.
That's what I'm sure our director's probably got something queued
We'll
up.
see if I can use it on the next one. Question number 2.
Okay.
Which is best, a manual or an electric toothbrush?
That's got to be electric. It's got to be electric,
Dr.
right?
Tina?
Yes, it is.
Okay, you can't evolve the toothbrush and have it be worse for you.
Why isn't electric so much better?
Well, it keeps you accountable for the 2 minutes that we were just talking about
true.
for every 30 seconds per quadrant. And there's even a little timer and a little beep that tells you to move on to the next quadrant.
Oh, I've not seen that. I do have an electric toothbrush, but it just rotates, right? So like is that do I need to find one with a timer?
Ooh, that would definitely keep you accountable.
Oh, that's true. That's fair. That's fair.
Yeah, because now I'm not so sure if you're going for 2 minutes. I don't know.
I know.
You might be brushing more on one side than the other.
Ooh,
Right.
the left side of my mouth is minty fresh, but the right side
It is a good way to track. Plus, I know once I switch to an electric, I just, it all feels more clean.
It does, it does.
Okay, question number 3.
Okay.
True or false? Among adults, 90% of people over 20 have experienced a cavity at least once in their life.
90%. I would say that's gotta be true. Cavities are pretty common.
That's
Dr. Tina?
right.
Ding, 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 ding. It
You
is
got
correct. True. I didn't
are.
realize that cavities are that common.
Have you not had a cavity?
I have, but I guess I feel better now that 90% of people have.
Well, yeah, right now, 1 of every 4 adults have a cavity
Ooh, that they don't know about?
that they either have or need
Oh.
and maybe don't know about.
Oh, they just need to
Yeah.
address it in some form.
Okay,
Yes, that's
and,
right.
and
Interesting.
that is
Yeah.
one of those, it's like cavities, the longer you wait, the worse it is, so don't sleep on those. All right, Travis, you're on a roll. Question number 4. What are some trendy ways people are doing to brighten their smile, and which is best? So, okay, these are some trendy ways. Which is best? You've got purple toothpaste, at-home bleach kits, oil pulling, or whitening toothpaste.
I've only ever heard of one of these options.
Oh, no.
Whitening toothpaste. Are bleach kits, are those like the strips that you put on? Is that considered a bleach kit?
They can be, yeah.
They can be?
Or gels.
Interesting. What is oil pulling? I haven't even heard of that.
Oh, it's another trend. So these are all actual trends that claim to
These
whiten
are all
your teeth,
real.
But the question is,
I have
which is best?
No idea what purple toothpaste is. That's probably the answer, but because I haven't heard of it, I'll go whitening toothpaste. Oh, dang it!
You got one wrong.
Is it purple
What's the
toothpaste?
answer, Dr. Tina?
All of the above.
Oh, that wasn't an option. Boo! Boo to the question writer.
We had to throw a trick question in there.
Boo!
Those are all ways people are venturing into teeth whitening at home.
Okay.
However, getting professional teeth whitening gives you the best results.
What is
Yeah.
purple toothpaste? Like, is it just exactly what it sounds?
Exactly.
The color,
yeah.
the color
It's like
of the
a color
toothpaste.
correction thing.
Yeah,
like-
yeah.
Really?
It's kind of like for your hair.
It's same thing with, I was like, the blonde nose. It's color
Fascinating.
correction because it's like
Blonde
purple
nose.
cancels
Yeah.
out the brassiness.
no
and then
idea.
Same thing for your teeth.
That's
Okay, we got
fascinating.
one more question. Which of the following stains your teeth? Coffee, tea, or wine?
Okay, this has got to be all of the above again. Now that I know that this is an option, Emily.
Dr. Tina?
Yay!
Yeah,
Correct. All of the above can stain. Yes. Good job, Travis.
Thank you. I'm pretty proud
He
of that.
knows his oral health.
We try.
There
we
you
try.
go.
I will admit I don't floss as much as I should. I feel like that's got to be a thing that's like
That
kind
would
of
have
all
that
the-
would
all
have
the way-
won you the grand prize, but sorry, you don't win a new car.
Boo! All right. Well, great tips leading into 2023 if you're trying to
Yeah.
focus on that in the new year.
Dr. Tina, we're almost out of time, but real quick, you just opened up this new dental, gosh, I almost want to call it like dental salon,
Yes,
the Gleamery.
it
Tell us about it.
is, yeah. So the Gleamery has just opened last week at Cedar Hills Crossing in Beaverton, and it is the next generation preventative dental experience where we provide professional teeth cleanings and whitenings.
And you do like same day, you don't have to schedule an appointment like months in advance.
That's
so
right. Yeah,
super cool.
absolutely. Yeah,
I like
it
that
helps
idea.
prevent any major issues that could lead to really expensive dental work. So we're here to prevent all of the cavities, any gum disease, any major issues that would lead to dental tooth aches or pains.
Yeah.
Anything that would need immediate attention that you may not be able to get right now.
Well, there you go.
Okay.
So if all
Yeah.
this talk about teeth has you wondering when your last dentist appointment was, you can go check them out. The Gleamery, located at Cedar Hills Crossing in Beaverton. Check out their website, thegleamery.com, to learn more and make an appointment. Travis, do you want the Bob Barker
I
microphone?
was going
for
to say the
teeth?
show's over. Why are you still talking into the microphone?
Okay.
I feel like a big winner.
Yeah.
All right. It's a